Namaste and welcome, fellow trekkers. Today we will explore all the major things you need to prepare for your exhilarating journey to the Everest Base Camp. First of all, the Everest Base Camp trek is no walk in the park. This trek reaches a maximum altitude of 5,555 meters at Kalapathar, and the entire trek stretches 130 kilometers or 80 miles distance. That's why it's crucial to train your body for the demands of high-altitude trekking. You will need to focus on building endurance and stamina through cardiovascular fitness activities like running, hiking, and stair climbing. In your physical training routine, you should aim to run at least 3 to 4 times per week. Start with shorter distances and progressively build up to longer runs. While trekking on EBC, you will have to walk at least 4 to 6 hours a day. So aim to climb stairs 2 to 3 times per week. Begin with 15 to 30 minutes per session and gradually increase the duration as your stamina improves. This will help you walk properly in high-altitude areas like EBC. Additionally, if there are any hiking trails near your place, hike at least once a week. Practice walking for a few hours to enhance your endurance. But if you can't find any hiking trails, alternatively you can work out in the gym. Along with building endurance, you must increase your body flexibility to prevent any strains, sprains, and muscle pulls while trekking on uneven terrains. Focus on stretching all major muscle groups, including the legs, back, shoulders, and hips. Hold each stretch for 15 to 30 seconds and repeat 2 to 3 times. While you are at it, perform leg strengthening exercises to make your legs stronger, steadier, and totally trek ready. Generally, you should do number 1 squats, number 2 lunges, number 3 step-ups, number 4 jump squats, number 5 hip bridges, number 6 wall sits, and number 7 single leg squats. You can do these exercises at home without using equipment. The right clothes can make all the difference when tackling the Everest Base Camp trek. You'll want to dress in breathable, moisture-wicking fabrics to keep sweat away from your skin and prevent chilling. Merino wool or synthetic materials work wonders here. Next, add an insulating layer for warmth. This could be a fleece jacket or a down sweater. Moving on to your lower half, invest in a good pair of trekking pants or convertible pants. Also, don't forget that a warm hat or beanie is essential for retaining heat. Look for gloves with a waterproof and breathable outer shell to keep moisture out while allowing sweat to escape. And finally, let's talk about footwear. Your choice of hiking boots can make or break your trek. Opt for sturdy, ankle-supporting boots with a grippy sole for traction on rocky terrain. Now that we've covered clothing essentials, let's talk about the right equipment to ensure you're well prepared for the challenges of the Everest Base Camp trek. You will need a reliable backpack, thermal bottle, water purification, trekking pole, sleeping bag, toiletries, and first aid kit. Add any necessary medications, personal items, or any other things that you may need on your journey. And there you have it, trekkers. With proper preparation and a spirit of adventure, the Everest Base Camp trek promises to be the journey of a lifetime. So lace up those boots, embrace the challenge, and get ready to conquer the roof of the world. Until next time, happy trekking.
Website at www.discoveryworldtrekking.com. Contact us via email, info@discoveryworldtrekking.com, or phone, WhatsApp, Viber at +977 984 0055491.